Alright, hello everyone. So what we're doing, so I feel like I'm literally just doing this again. So, this feels like, last week almost. So this is the day 2. We're talking about severe risk for tomorrow, and this one's gonna have the chance for hail, damaging winds, and yet again, another possible tornado outbreak. As you can see, we already have the moderate risk over here. So this one looks like it's going to be including a little bit more of Louisiana than last Sunday. Jackson, Mississippi's right kind of in the bullseye of this. Montgomery, Alabama, Tuscaloosa, Alabama. All those areas will be in the moderate risk. The enhanced risk extends across multiple states. Let's see here. It looks like Louisiana, the eastern half, a little. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. Eastern Texas. It's gonna be all of a good portion of Louisiana, kind of like the northern Louisiana, mid Mississippi, mid Alabama, Georgia, and then it's gonna be kind of like the southwest corner of South Carolina. So we're gonna go to that tornado, and we do have the significant severe tornado. This is a hatched area, so right here we have the 15% chance we have that hatched area, which means EF2s are possibly higher. So Jackson, Mississippi is right in the bullseye of this, which is a little bit concerning. Also Tuscaloosa. So Tuscaloosa, Montgomery, Jackson, Monroe, Louisiana, Hattiesburg, Mississippi, Alexandria, Louisiana. Those are all the areas in that 15% chance. So this is going to be something we have to look out for tomorrow. The wind, you're looking at that. We have the 30% chance in those areas. This is going to be the same area. So the enhanced risk, all of the enhanced risk will basically be in that 30% chance of seeing some wind. We also have that hatched area, which means wind gusts of 50 knots or wind gusts of 65 knots or greater, possibly. So that's a pretty insane number to be looking at right now. So another major outbreak basically possibly happening here. Finally, the hail is the outlook. This is kind of shaped more. It's going to be more including a little bit of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Dallas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and kind of like the western Alabama. Gee, I cannot talk today. I am sorry, guys. So we're gonna go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the significant tornado parameter. Okay, so we're gonna start this. So this is probably around Sunday morning. Okay, so we go. This is Saturday. We go into Sunday. And we can see there's a little bit of some kind of activity over here with that significant tornado parameter. We also have some stuff down here which we're looking at. So all this will kind of go, like, kind of do a northeastern type of movement again. So we're going to keep this moving, and now you can see we have that which was in the Gulf of Mexico moving in. That's going to be moving north. So we have this area right here, which is going to be where we're going to see it kick off with significant tornadoes parameter. That's where we're going to see it kind of shoot up, and there we go. So this whole area, we're going to see some really big readings over here. I was looking at it. It looks like possibly, I saw one area, it was like 8. It's going to be, I'm going to say like 5 to 8 to possibly some 9s if you really looked in there. Yeah, so it's a big area. It looks like it's northeastern Texas, that corner right there, looking like they could pretty much get hammered by there. It's the significant tornado parameter. It's some pretty good numbers right there. And we move, and it's moving into Louisiana, and basically Louisiana, we have some really high numbers now. Oh boy. Oh gosh, come back. So as it moves into Louisiana, I get some pretty high numbers. And it kind of stays. This whole area right here, guys, this right here is where we're going to see the possibility of significant tornadoes. The more specifically, this whole area right here is where we're gonna see it though. So we're gonna see the possibility of some significant tornadoes in that area, guys. So make sure that you are staying safe and heeding warnings tomorrow. Again, it's basically gonna be Easter Sunday 2.0. So that's what we're looking at. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. This is the NAM 3KM model run. So I'm gonna run this. So hold on, let me get a good region for you guys. There we go. So we have what we're looking at here. This is gonna be Saturday, kind of maybe the night of Saturday. So you can see these are what the current storms are looking like. So this is like around current time on Saturday. We have some storms producing hail and gusty winds that are moving through the Houston suburbs right now, moving into the Gulf of Mexico currently. So we're going to keep playing that. And you can see, though, we can basically, hold on. We're going to see that these scattered showers break off from this, and now it's Sunday, and now we have this area of just scattered stuff right here. Alright, so this is going to be a pretty dangerous area. Which is oh my gosh, I just had an absolute seizure. I am sorry about that. Jeez. Alright, so that area will become some pretty intense thunderstorms. So they kind of disintegrate right there. They lose their rain. So now what we're looking at is this area right here is what we're currently looking at as development. We have some single cells all across scattered. We have some scattered rain back here, which meets the instability and the warmth and humidity of this area in the moderate risk, and that's where we see the storms start to kick off. So those storms, they finally are starting to move out of Arkansas, really intense right here. And we have also the scattered ones up here in Missouri, moving into Illinois, Kentucky, and Tennessee. So we're going to keep this moving, everyone. Oh gosh, let me switch that. And those storms, they're going to be really bad. But now, so these storms right here, they're going to be really bad, guys. This is going to be, you know, the possibility of producing tornadoes. It's going to be a very tornadic, it's going to be some tornadic activity a lot. But then we have this line right here developing as well. So we're looking at another line that's going to be moving. So that one kind of forms. This one starts moving off. And now this line forms, everyone. And this one also goes right through Mississippi, Alabama. I have another line behind it. So it's going to be a lot. And this is Monday. So this is going to be a Sunday into Monday event as well. With, I think, the worst of it going to be hitting around Monday morning. That's when I think this is going to be really bad. So this is something we have to keep an eye on, everyone. So, hopefully you guys enjoy this. So yeah, basically that's it. And now we're also looking at Thursday, another chance of these types of severe thunderstorms and more tornadic activity possible. So make sure you guys are just keeping an eye out. I took this last week off. I'm sorry about that. I just kind of relaxed. After Sunday and all that live streaming, I had to kind of relax myself and all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to keep you guys informed on the current situation and what's going on. I possibly will be going live tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure on that. I'll have to figure things out. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this. If you did, make sure to leave a like. Thank you guys for 100 subscribers. That is a big goal for me. Never thought I'd actually get to 100 subscribers, but we did. So thank you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in the next weather video, which will be tomorrow, talking about this severe weather. So stay tuned, everyone. Stay safe. I love all of you. Goodbye.